Let's talk about the media landscape for a minute. 50 or 60 years ago, all of America could be reached through three channels: ABC, NBC, and CBS. Today, things are quite a bit different. You've got literally hundreds of millions of blogs on the English-speaking web alone. You've got millions of YouTubers, hundreds of thousands of podcasters, and you get the point. And so what's starting to happen is networks that represent individual slivers of this fragmented audience have started to appear. If you're talking YouTube and you want to reach people through the YouTube channel, so you've got Maker Studios and Machinima and Big Frame and on that are MCNs. You've got the same type of network that represents bloggers, individual niche bloggers, multicultural audiences, millennials. There are blog networks to reach people that want to reach the mom demographic and so on. These networks are a step in the right direction for sure. It's a lot easier for a brand to reach these influencers through a network who's already bothered to aggregate them and to curate these lists so that there are far fewer steps involved in reaching these people. The evolution of these things, I think, has been a consistent pattern, right? You've got this situation where there's information that's very, very difficult to find. And the names and contact information and available inventory from hundreds of millions of bloggers and YouTubers and TV shows and all of these media possibilities, these integration possibilities, that information is very difficult for brands to discover. And so the first step whenever something like this happens is for people to step in and act like brokers. They're the ones that have special connections, a certain Rolodex, and they see value in the ability to package up that Rolodex and sell it to you for a premium. That's Merrill Lynch giving you access to stock market intelligence and to the transactional capabilities in the stock market. That's real estate brokers with listings. Instead of the public getting access to the multiple listing service, brokers hoard that information. Travel agents used to do the same thing. They had special access. They charge you a premium for that access. That's exactly where we are now in the brand integration space. But the logical next step, and what the internet facilitates over and over and over again, is the ability for the buyer and the seller to connect directly, eliminating transactional friction and creating true efficiency in the marketplace.